support is just a little bit lower. All right, not at support. My support is just a little bit lower here. So if I zoom in, my support is a little bit lower here, but right now it's respecting this support here, this line. All right, it's trying to respect that. Volume and spreads are very, very bad right now. Monica Jora. So keep an eye on it. If you're gonna get this one to break over, your resistance would be the 161, 160, 165. You want to break over for a push on Reddit. All right, that's what I got here this morning, guys. So let me switch over to SPY up here. Oops, we're already starting. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. All right, so SPY is coming up off that support. We're saying we want to see that one push, right? So we are getting that pop right now, coming up to that trend line. You want to break through here and get it up there. Same thing goes for everything else. Kajora, we want an upside move.
Yes, he's on my team. Kajora, we're on the
Right.
same team.
Just be cautious, all right? Remember your yeah. So remember your support lines, your stops in place and all that, right? Very important, very importante. Your stops. Is there any other ticker you want me to put up here? Is there anybody else who wants anything up here?
Can you look at ARM for a second? There's no volume.
ARM.
But it's
ARM. Sure. ARM. Uh, this one, Dina, a little bit different. So let's see, my support is all the way down here. So we quite a flagging. It already double topped once. So you want to break over the double top resistance area and push it. All right. So this is how it looks like.
all right. Yeah, it's kind of in the middle there.
Yep.
Okay,
Just be
thanks.
patient, all right? Be patient.
Mhm.
Don't don't be a gunslinger. All right. Be a surgeon,
A
a
surgeon.
sniper.
Yes. Okay. I'll snipe it.
A gunslinger, right?
No, you like pew 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 pew.
Yes, he is a pew pew pew
Yeah. I guess.
gunslinger.
Yeah. There you go.
I find it amazing. People coming in, have been trading for 2 weeks and they want to do options.
I know. I heard you. Like, maybe not.
They want the moolah.
Yeah, but that's not reality, right?
Jenny, we get rich overnight.
The reality is they lose the moolah.
Yeah,
Gotta
exactly.
lose the moolah to make the moolah.
they mega lose the moolah. Yeah.
You have to lose to win.
Bloody dangerous.
And no one told me that when I started.
What?
That you got to lose your rear before you can start making some money.
Well, haven't I been saying this all the time?
Well, no. I mean, I know it now, but in the very beginning.
In the very beginning, haven't you heard me say?
Oh, no. I know you say it, but like I just started on my own before.
Oh,
I
right.
started, I was like, oh, this looks good. This
Well,
looks good. Whatever.
yeah. And that's because you don't have fear inside of you. Nobody comes into the stock market for the first time from the beginning with fear. Nobody. Everybody's fearless because they've never tasted it. They never had it.
Mhm.
But
They
if
don't
you
know
get
what
it
they're in for.
this 5, 10 times, then you start saying, "Whoa, whoa."
Belly. Hold up. Yep. Yep.
Hold on, partner.
Yep. Mhm.
The Candan says.
Mhm.
Careful now. All right.
Buckle up.
My support is a little bit lower still. All right. So on Tesla, my support is a little bit lower. It's down here. The same thing goes for Nvidia. It's a little bit lower.
SPY's got double sellers than buyers.
I would, like I said before, I would prefer us to get down there first, to get that pull first,
Mhm.
and then push it. That's my preference. But
Exactly.
if the stock market, if the market doesn't want to do that, all right, if we're gonna get that push on let's say Tesla and break above resistance area, changes things, right? It's not gonna go down, but I would prefer this one to give us that pull for a better setup. So be cautious. We got 10 more minutes. And more minutes. If anybody have, like I said yesterday, Anita, is there any ticker you want me to put up here? Anita? Said yesterday, if you want me to put up any ticker, let me know. Ah.
Hi, Jenny. I'm focusing on Tesla today.
All right, Tesla.
Yeah.
Good. Just watch your initial move. You heard me what I said, right? My support
Yes.
is a little bit lower down there. Okie dokie. Let's have fun, guys. Good morning,
VST.
David.
Oh, I was just going to
Which
tell you,
one,
Jenny.
Dina?
VST
Which
came
one?
straight down to your support.
VST?
Yep. It's there.
Good. So let's see if we're
Pondering.
gonna hold that.
Mhm.
All right, let's see, guys. So the preference is to get that little pullback before we're gonna push, all right? What about this crowd? Are we gonna do anything with crowd? CRWD? No, that's not CRWD crowd. Right now, sitting and doing absolutely nothing at the moment. Nvidia is making a little bit of a pop here already. Come on, give us that pull first. Give us the pull. Give us a pull. Pull, pull, pull. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys to see it better. And if anybody have any questions, Tesla's coming up to that first resistance here. By still holding, not even breaking over your trend line flag. Probably I did it wrong. There you go. Look at the arm, Dina. Look at the spreads on it. An arm on this pop. Got less than 3 minutes. VST trying to break on the support here, Dina. Trying. Look at the spreads on VST, Dina. Opening up. Cautious. Nvidia coming up to the first resistance as well. Nice Kajora. Nice move. So Nvidia hitting the first resistance as well. Tesla is giving us a little bit of a pullback. Less than 2 minutes. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, Kajura. Yeah. Apple is pulling, broke on the support. SPY is coming down, retesting support. Dina VST, your next support would be 123. 123 on VST. All right, so let's see if we're gonna get that pull. We said we would love to see a pull before we can push, right? That would be the best setup. Good morning, Plur. Here we go. All right, getting a pull here on Tesla, PLTR. Coming down. Yeah, nice move on PLCR. Well done, Gajira. Nvidia coming down to that support we wanted. All right, you are coming down to that support right now on Nvidia. So let's see if it's gonna have the cojones to hold here, or we are still a little bit on the heavy side though. So let it just manage your stops if you're shorting it. Just like coming up and retesting resistance here. Nvidia is trying to hold. SPY is running out of space. All right, SPY is running out of space. It has to do something. Tesla touched that resistance point, doesn't want to push through yet. All right, so we don't need this line anymore. Nvidia is still thinking about it. Should I hold or what? Come on. Careful now with everything. We are not breaking over resistances, all right? Tesla is trying, but not pushing through. We need to close above that candle. Crowd. The opening right now, it's a little bit on the slow side, right? We are not getting this instantaneous um, direction move. But it's doing absolutely nothing right now. Down to mama, come down to mama cadence. Tesla almost there. The next support. All right, so Tesla is coming down to that support line we wanted to come down to, but now we are still a little bit on the heavy side. Just like Nvidia is, right? trying to hold on to this support. That's where we are right now with Tesla. You're hitting it right now. We're still on the heavy side now. And SPY still no direction. PLTR hitting the next support here. On PLTR, this 83.15. Crowd going lower. Move your stops. By still not doing anything. Not yet. Look how identical Nvidia and Tesla is right now, right? And everything else. Come on. Come on. Are we gonna push now on this SPY here a little bit? We still want that SPY to break over that resistance up there. So we can push it higher. The same thing goes for all the other tickers. You need to break above resistance. PLTR is coming up to the first resistance slowly here as well. Don't let things break under your support now. By coming up to the first resistance. Come on. So this is where we want to see now a push through, yeah? Push through, you break out, move your stops. Come on, SPY. Come on, SPY. Guys, it's important we get that SPY with us, all right? Otherwise it's not gonna be long lived. Tesla's coming up to the second resistance we want to push through. SPY still not breaking over it. Still trying to. Hmm. Yeah, it is going opposite today. Huh? So maybe it is like you guys were saying. Careful with SPY not breaking over resistance, all right? Careful. All right, guys. Right now, that SPY is not doing what we wanted. All right, it's not supposed to break over that resistance. Broke over the trend line flag here, but we need to take care of that resistance area, and it's not doing it, and at least not for now. So you gotta be a little bit more patient. But definitely, if you are trading anything, do not let it pull under.
Unless you want it to, if you're short.
Are you sure? Really? No, right?
I have a runner from early this morning.
Okay. Got it. Crowd was nice short as well. Still going down.
Exactly my point.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Come on, SPY. Push through, man. Come on. Piece of
Crowd's
porqueria.
200 on the daily is at 335, but I'd like to take it lower. We've got a gap down at like 308, 310. Hold on. Where's the gap? Probably like just under 310.
Crowd 310.
Yeah, daily gap.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Hindens. SPY is not playing along. Not yet. Again, be cautious, all right? Always take profit and always move your stops up. Kitty. Really? Go Judah. Come on, SPY.
The 15-minute open range high and low on SPY is exactly at previous lows on the daily.
Hmm.
496. Oh, this is the Qs. I'm sorry. 496 spot 93 and then 493 spot 58. Oh my God, that's so funny. You couldn't have like planned that better.
Yeah, we are not going anywhere right now. On
So I probably
anything.
did the same thing. Let's take a look. Yesterday's.
Yes.
Yep.
Let's see. My next supporting
Finally.
level would be 32. 32.10. 232.10.
Janny, let's take it to 215.
Mm-hmm.
Be done with it.
Nice.
Sell that thing. Apple's coming down to 215, absolutely. Eventually. It's not going to be today. That'd be way too big a range for Apple in terms of ATR. That's where you take profit on your shorts, 215. What was the previous low? 219 something? 219, yeah. Let's see, what's the ATR on this? $5. 545. So $2 more reaches its ATR, and then if it wants to extend, that'd be great. It hasn't hit its 200 on the daily, which is down at 226.87. And a lot of others did yesterday, I think. Did they? Let's take a look. They go nowhere all day. This will kill people.
Yeah. Imagine doing options, right?
But SPY and Qs are wedged in this, in between these trend lines, right? So it's kind of like, I'd be surprised.
I mean, to be frank, the only ones that made a nice move is Apple. I mean, everything is holding the ranges. It's not doing anything.
And crowd.
And crowd, yes, beautiful crowd.
Crowd's doing really well.
Mm-hmm.
And Grr.
Yeah.
Grr.
All right, let me remove this line here. We don't need that one anymore.
Keep an eye on Grr, Habibi, because like 43 spot 60, 43 spot 60 on Grr.
Resistance.
is a level
Mhm.
for me.
Yeah, thanks, Kajura. Yeah, it has beautiful range in this gorilla. GRRR.
Grr.
Mhm. All right, guys, this is not what I wanted out of this trade this morning. That's not what I wanted. We're still waiting for a push through that resistance so we can push everything, but damn, they're holding everything down. Was it real good? Well, right now we are getting a lot of stupid trades on what's happening right now. We got Nvidia doing nothing, Tesla, Reddit, Mister, SMCI, PLTR going absolutely nowhere right now. All right, so just be cautious with getting into this kind of trades. We are not breaking over resistance here. SPY is coming down and retesting support here again. So we are not getting any kind of direction. And without direction, this is just choppiness and bouncing up and down between support and resistance, playing ping pong with us right now. Beautiful trade, Gajura, on your Apple. Still going down. Same thing goes for Crowd. Nvidia breaking support here. SPY is breaking support. My next support on SPY is way down here at the 57335. So it's way down there, my next support. So right now, nothing is breaking over resistance. PLTR also came up to resistance area. Does not want to push through. Came up, touched it? No. The same thing goes for SMCI. Came up to resistance touch. No. Crazy. All right, so we are getting a little bit of a pull here. Like I said, my SPY is support is way down here now. There it is. All the way down here. It's my next support line. Tesla is testing support as well. So being in trades like this, like we have right here with Nvidia and Tesla, is just gonna chew you up, right? Whatever you do, it's gonna be wrong. You go long, it's pulling. You go short, it's popping, right? So definitely do not want to be in trades like this. If anybody have any questions,
Numbers released. We'll get the
Alright.
pop.
pop, 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 and go. Pop and away. Pop and away. Come on. Come
PMI.
on. PMI?
Hmm.
All right.
Yep, ISM services PMI.
Mm-hmm.
Came in a
Cool.
point higher than expected and a point higher than the last.
Oof.
But it's a good reason for them to pop it. Or hit my level.
Good.
Ugh. Ugh.
Take it down.
Ugh. I think it might be, well, we'll see. We'll see like how much it has in it. If it's like the top for a while or just day trade.
Yeah, no, but look how it's hitting resistance. Doesn't want to push through. It's really annoying. Really annoying today. Dina? VST? All right, so let's see if we're going to push it over. Come up to the next resistance of 128. On GRRR? Oh, that's Kendance. That's not me. That's not mine. It's Kendance. Right. Let's coming up to the next resistance here. Come on, push through. SPY is still not pushing through resistance. Nice pull, Kendance. Take it down. Yeah, guys, sorry, it's one of those days that we don't really have a beautiful direction on just breakthrough and just push, 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 right? We're getting this choppiness and not pushing through resistance. Right now, you are coming up, touching it on SPY and on Tesla, and it's not pushing through. So just be careful and move your stops up. Always take profit off.
Okta moving.
Got it. Thanks, Kajuna. Well, we got a nice push on SMCI, came up to resistance, pulled back down again. Mr. Another one then making a pop and having issues breaking over the next resistance. Same thing goes for coin. PLTR made a nice move, broke over second resistance, make a pop, came up to the third resistance, and giving a little bit of a pullback here. Nvidia is having issues breaking over that resistance, came up too, but same thing goes for SPY. Doesn't want to push through. Your yeah, can dance. Beautiful move. Take it down. Apple. You know what, Kajura? I still think this Apple is still on the heavy side. We can get another pull on it. This doesn't look good on Apple yet. Let me show you this Apple here. That's not how you spell it. No, again, that's how you spell it. All right, so my support on Apple is a little bit lower here. Show you just a little bit lower than it came down to. This is your next level. It's trying to hold here. So you want to see this one. If you can lose that support here, take it down one more time to that previous low, create that double bottom. That would be better. So you have that resistance. You want to break over this resistance to be able to push price retesting again. Anybody, any questions? Tesla is just being stupid today. All right, let's see what else we got.
Nvidia's being stupid too.
Yeah, Nvidia's being stupid too.
It's going down to your support right now.
Yeah.
Needs to
Alright,
go boing.
Baba made a beautiful move. Ooh, look at Baba. Nice. Same thing with PDD, Baidu. So all the Chinese ones made a nice move. Reddit, another one that made a nice move as well, but the spread's still wide on Reddit. MSTR, no, choppy. AVGO also made a nice move off that support we're talking about.
I was
We
just
got
about
our-
to say,
What? On
But just-
AVGO?
Yeah, they got earnings tomorrow, I think.
Oh,
Yep. tomorrow.
June.
It's going to be a good one.
Yep.
Meta also made a little bit of a pop. Broke over resistance, made a little bit of a move. Amazon made a move, but not very exciting. Nothing exciting. TW, no. Netflix, no. CRM, no. Tesla, definitely no. Coin, no. Nothing. I mean, the most
Okta?
clean Okta.
Yeah. Put
Okta.
that in the chat
Mm,
earlier.
Got it.
That's movement.
Nice double top up here. Have a little bit of resistance here, 111.
If they get up to 114 spot 50 on, they'll hit a double top on the daily.
Right.
So if they push, that's my ultimate destination.
Mhm. But I wonder why the market is like this today. Does anybody have any idea why?
Because we've made a significant move down and the market now has to decide. I think a lot of the players, like, look, nobody's going to short in this area, right? Because, like, think about it from a high time frame perspective, like not us day trading, but the big boys, like, they're not going to short here because they'd be shorting in the hole. Then buyers have to step up. So the shorts are basically like, all right, let's see if the buyers can step up and push this thing, right? And if they don't step up, then the shorts are going to step up. But it's just a matter of, like, I think what they're probably going to do, is they're going to create an inside bar to yesterday. And then the following day will be a real move. But we'll see. They might break the higher the low today.
Yep.
Like, if they keep a higher low today, if they don't really go anywhere in the morning, right? Because most of the sellers, I think, are going to step up in the morning. If they can prevent a lower low from taking place in the morning, then once, everything kind of shakes out by the London close, which is in another 40 minutes or so, then actually hour and a half. But then once that happens, like, they'll probably drift it higher if they can keep them from creating new lows. So we'll see.
Right.
Bit of a battlefield here.
Sure is.
The problem is that there's really no good setups for anyone. Everybody's like, no, you go first. No, you go first. No, no, after you. No, go ahead. No, go.
Yeah,
I know.
that's what
I'll
they
wait.
do.
Oh, it's okay. No, please.
You go first. Everybody's being a gentleman suddenly, huh?
Yeah, right.
Hmm. If retail dollar is less than 10% of trade volume, that means hedge funds lose a substantial amount of money per day. Thanks, Green. Coming down to support here slowly but steadily. Oh, it was for Gajora? All right.
Abalicious coming down.
Mm-hmm. Abu is also
Baba.
coming down to the first support here. Wants to. This GRRR is still trying to hold it up here, huh?
Mhm. It's because it's a really key fib level.
Right.
No, there's two. I'm sorry, there's two. It's a confluence of two really key fib levels. So
Being stubborn.
they're either accumulating up here or it's a pause to push it to the higher levels. Which wouldn't surprise me because, you know, this thing's been on a bit of a tear, so
Mhm.
I would love them to push it to the higher levels. To mama.
Well, we are trying to hold support here at least. Trying.
This is gonna kill everybody with boredom, and then they're just gonna go home, and then the bulls are gonna grind it higher.
Mhm.
I'm so glad I'm done for the day.
Ooh,
Yay! Was that you, Kajora? He'll never tell. Secret safe with me.
Yeah, nice pull. Got it.
Wow, at this point
Mhm.
see. I really want them to push this. I want them to give me the same trade twice. If the futures can get it up to 25.57 on the NQ, I'll short. It probably won't be till later today, though. And then tomorrow morning, I think the only thing we have is unemployment numbers.
Tomorrow, unemployment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Thursday morning?
Got it.
I was just trying to think of like what we have as catalysts. Okta keep going. They're really pushing it to that 114. All right, let's see. What do we have? On le calendar. Le calendar. Thursday. Wait, how do you say it? Como se dice? No, como se dice? Wait. Como se dice? Thursday en español. Como se dice Thursday en español?
Come on, that's easy. How do
Maybe
you call Monday?
maybe Thursday.
Yeah, how do you call Monday?
Lundi, isn't it? Lundi? Lundi?
Where is Jose? Jose, you in here?
Dove Jose. Oh my god, we're like mixing up all the languages. Hold on, how do you say Thursday in Spanish? Jueves. Jueves. Wait, isn't that eggs? Jueves.
Maybe it's X too.
Thursday eggs.
Well,
Okay,
you
it's
have Tuesday taco, right?
martes, miércoles, jueves,
Mhm.
and then I don't Taco Tuesday. Yeah, got Taco Tuesday.
This is ridiculous what we are having today, guys. I am so
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay. So I mean, the only thing out 5 minutes is oil, right? Oil inventories,
Mhm.
crude oil, and then 2 p.m. is the beige book. That's the rest that we have today. And then we've got well, Japan's got the 30-year bond auction tonight, but I don't really think that's going to do much.
That's
Then
important.
tomorrow morning we have unemployment and
Yeah.
basically like non-farm productivity. But the big one's going to be Friday. NFP is Friday.
Friday, the big one. Guys, do you
And a bunch
remember this
and Powell speaks.
NFTs?
Yeah,
What happened to those? Does anybody
that's
know anything?
that was the best.
I mean, I was ridiculous, making it ridiculous, this kind of things, but what happened to it? I have no idea. Just disappeared, right?
Mhm.
Yeah,
A way to launder money, wasn't it?
probably.
It's crazy.
Or buying property in metaverse for I don't know how many millions.
It's so
Unbelievable.
funny.
Yeah, you don't hear anything about them anymore.
Mhm. Yeah, not right
Is
now,
it?
at least. Will it come back? Well, if they see another opportunity to do the same thing because history repeats itself, it can come back for a second wave. Yeah. Yeah, neither today we did not have that Tesla move we wanted, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's okay. Like they don't always come. There's always another one to come.
Yeah, there's another, always another. Oh, mon Dieu.
But I stayed out of my toxic relationship today.
Good.
That
So
was
no
really good.
toxic relationships today. That's great.
No,
That's
I'm
good news.
growing up. I'm growing up.
Yes, yes. That's good news. Mm. Look how Apple is holding the support here right now. Nice, Kajura. Tesla is holding.
I'm going to get a coffee. I'll be back.
All right. Alright, so Apple is coming up and testing that first resistance point. SPY is trying to break over. Guys, we got plenty of time right now to talk about whatever it is that you want to talk about. So if anybody have anything, because right now not much is happening. It's one of those days. What is Okta doing? OKTA. It's moving, still moving. It's coming slowly up to resistance. One more push, one more breath out of this Okta. OKTA. Looks like a last breath kind of thing right now. Dina, what is your VST doing? Is it doing anything? Did it
It
push
went up
through?
to 127. I was happy.
Okay.
And then it dropped, and so I'm doing another
Yeah.
round.
Mm. Yeah, I
But
see it.
it could go up higher if it wanted to, but I don't think it wants to right now.
Yeah. Gotta be
Just
patient.
kind of hanging there. Yeah.
Well, the whole market, I mean, nothing is making the move.
True. Yeah. Everything's down. Candace is happy.
Yeah.
What did Tesla go down to? Oh, 270. What are you in? Anything?
No, not right now. Nothing, Dina.
Nothing, just kind of chilling.
No, this kind of trades right now, it's a little bit stupid.
Right. We need direction.
Yeah, I mean, you're scalping here and there. It's getting tiring.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Just little scalps.
Yeah. It was a nice scalp on Apple.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. Nvidia, this SPY, when it broke over resistance with this move it's getting right now. But we're not getting those beautiful moves that we are used to.
No, we're not. What is your support under the 115.6 or whatever that is?
On
7?
VNC?
No, on Nvidia, your next one.
Nvidia. Nvidia. All the way down here, Dina. Look at this.
Let's see.
It's 114.
Okay.
114.08, somewhere there. All the way down there. But it made this beautiful double bottom down here on Nvidia. That's why we're getting a little bit of a push right now.
Ready? Just got to be patient, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know, they say patience is virtue.
Mm-hmm. And then patience, Paytince. I mean, and Payti. I'll spell it. I'll
Yeah,
put it.
patience, right?
Oh, I know, but they just spell it Pay instead of PAT. It's kind of like, get it? Patience, pay.
Because she wants to get paid.
Oh,
Yeah.
page. Okay.
We gotta
that's right.
pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But there is two things colliding with this being patient. The first thing is that the patience itself is a virtue,
It is.
and then that it's colliding with you being a woman. So
So what are you saying there, Jenny? We're impatient.
Incendiary. Here's
Get
a
it out.
word, Jenny, today. Incendiary.
Get it out. Get to the point. Yep.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Girls have, I don't know, I'm not really a patient person.
exactly.
So it's
That's my point.
something I got to work on. I'll help you out there.
Yeah, I know. I mean, you can help it. It's in your nature. It's fine. Don't worry about it. There's nothing wrong with it.
Want it to go, go, go.
Yeah.
Well, it's starting to go up
Octocrete.
now. Nvidia is a little bit.
You should have played Octa, Dina.
I didn't.
Oh, I heard you say that, but I think I mean, it was already, I missed it.
Yeah,
I wrote
but
it in the thing this morning.
Oh.
she
Yeah,
did.
well, I was in my usual guys, but
Mm.
I should have
Well,
called you out. Like, Dina, next time
Yeah.
I have a long setup, I'll go. Well, that and the Chinese names.
Are you getting ready to short it? If it turns.
114 spot 50
Oh,
is
is
the
that your
spot.
okay?
Mhm.
And then you go down. Hmm. Yeah,
A
that's a
minute
big
long
one.
now, but that's where my I'd short it in my other account, see how things shake out.
Yeah.
But yesterday they put in an $11 move. Today they're only just below $6. So, if they wanted to match yesterday, they could keep it going. I mean, that was an outlier, but it doesn't mean they can't do the same thing today.
Well, that's good range considering some other stocks only go 2 or 3 points.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'll put it on my radar.
Keep getting an alert for something. Oh. Baby, our fungus changed.
Name?
Yeah, it's really weird. Like it was FNGU
Mhm.
and it changed to FNGA.
Really?
And I'm like, what? Like, and it's exactly the same.
Mhm.
Everything is exactly the same. And I'm like, this is the weirdest thing ever. I have no idea why.
Who wouldn't do that with a name like that?
See
Come on,
something.
really? FNGA,
Hold
got
on.
it.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, uh, okay, so they've that's weird. Well, these are notes, right? They're not it's not an ETF, it's an ETN. So they can call them whenever they want. So basically they called them and they replaced it with FNGA. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Hold
Candace,
on.
what are you talking about? FNGN.
FNGA.
FNGA.
Mm-hmm. It's a leverage ETF on the FANG stocks.
Okay. That's not the one we talked about a long time ago, is it? The one that
Yeah,
runs.
it
Oh, it
was.
is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Telling Jan it changed
Mm.
the ticker and I had to take a look to see what's happening.
Why would they do that?
So they redeemed FNGU because the costs associated with supporting the leverage embedded in the ETMs have increased, and therefore existing fees and charges no longer reflect the current market environment. BMO is changing the ticker symbol with the expectation that it will reuse the FNGU ticker like in another 90 days. Okay, so wait, what's the, let me see what the cost is. Say what their cost is, right? Let's see. I have to look it up on the ETF to really see. GA, okay. GA. All right, so let's see. Find it.
That's down a lot. It used to be, let's see, 700
Exactly.
a long time ago when we talked about it.
Yep.
Hmm.
That's why I play it, because even though it says it's 3 times leverage, it actually has a lot more bang for the buck somehow. I don't exactly know how they do it with the notes, but it's not a 1-for-1. And all of their, I wouldn't say all of their stuff, but the ETNs that they've had have been amazing performers.
Mhm. Why does is it trading right now?
Mhm. Yep.
Okay. Because on my Thinkorswim, it's just stuck. It says sell at 470 and oh, now it's moving. Okay. I just don't okay, I just didn't see anything
Yeah,
moving on it.
it's really slow. There's
Okay.
nothing really moving very fast right now.
Yeah. Okay. You do a couple of those and you're done, right? Because it's got a big range.
Crowd was also a beautiful short today. Besides Apple.
Grrr,
Let's make a little bit of a pop here, huh?
grrr,
You grr.
Grr.
grrr.
That's all she has to say. Grr.
It had
No, we know.
it almost hit Viwapadopoulos. It came within pennies of Viwapadopoulos.
Yeah.
Papadopoulos.
I really want them to push this higher.
Hmm?
But that might be the ceiling for today. We'll see.
What's the volume coming into it? G.
18,000,
Yeah, not bad.
62,000.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Not
take a
bad.
look. Grrr. They've got a gap on this chart, like way. Wait, did we fill it? Let's see. Oh, goodness. This is one wackadoodle chart. Okay. So there is a gap all the way up at 116. Someone's got a chainsaw outside my house here. What is going on? Let me see what they're chopping down.
Guys, do you think we're gonna stay down here and do this choppiness all day long and not going anywhere? Unbelievable. GRRR. Okta. Giving us a little bit of a pullback here on Okta. SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, everything's giving us a little bit of a pullback right now. All right, guys, give me a minute.
Okay, I'm back.
All right, definitely still nothing here. We are being just chopping up and down, up and down. No direction on anything. Uh, Okta is also holding it up there. OKTA, Candence trade. So if anybody have anything, I am full of ears, guys. Apple is also staying within this range. Support and resistance. Everything is. So what do you guys want to talk about? Hmm. Let's see what else we can find out there. MSTR doing exactly the same kind of thing, just choppy between support and resistance lines. QCOM terrible. PDD, nice move on the Chinese stocks, definitely. Giving us a little bit of a pullback here of the topping on PDD. Baba is also making a little bit of a topping here, giving us a little bit of a pullback on Baba. Yeah, Kajora, I'm just seeing it now. Yeah. But yeah, definitely the Chinese stocks definitely did a beautiful move today. And nothing else. Besides crowd on the downside and Apple. Yeah, Baba was a beautiful move.
Happy trail.